They're gonna miss these jars like quibbling.
So this guy here held up our line in the live stream. Oh, can you put your light back on?
Yep.
And look at all the line wrapped around him.
And that's not ours. Ours is the green one.
And yeah, ours is the green one that's on there, and we're gonna help this guy out. But he's been fighting down there, held up, and no wonder we couldn't get him in.
Yep.
All right, let's see what we can do. Look at this poor guy. He is all sorts of ganked up in line, so we're gonna cut all that off.
Show them off so we got them clean.
Yeah. Well, we did get all the line off. Yeah, he's really, really distressed, so I don't even think I want to weigh him. I think we should just, huh? Oh, we do?
Oh, we do.
Okay.
6'9".
All right, 6 pounds, 9 ounces. Oh, he's still feisty. Off he goes in a hurry.
Alrighty. Well, we did a good deed tonight.
Yeah. It doesn't look as bad down here as it did when it was wrapped all around him.
Yep. Get the scissors.
Oh, wow. Even we're trying to save the one fish that was hung up.
Oh, this one just went down. I heard the bell go off.
Here's all the debris from that fish that was all tangled in the line that was out there. And while we're trying to work with that, this rod goes down. So we end our live stream trying to save one fish that was all tangled up in all different kinds of line that was out there. Trying to pick up that mess, and the other line goes down. All this after the live stream is over.
9 pounds, 5 ounces.
Here you go. Woo woo!
Whoop whoop! Boop boop be doop!
Good job.
Ah, he's going on the side. You're not getting the special treatment. What did I say? 9 what? 9.5.